So guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing a full unboxing of the Lelit Bianca that we just got in. This is a big package. It was in an even bigger packaging as well. Really hoping I don't break the glass table here, but we're gonna try. And just like the Mara, it looks like we got some incredible packaging. Big package as well, just to actually get it kicked off. I'm gonna put this on the ground and then we're gonna get this on the table. Ooh. Heavy. Got the heavies. You gotta lift with the legs for this one. Wow. This is nice. A little bit of a workout unboxing this one. So we got the Lelit Bianca, as I said, this is beautiful machine. So happy that we get all these Lelits in with all this like beautiful like wood pieces. Different for an espresso machine. You usually just see like stainless steel options. Now, the Lelit, bit of a different breed when it comes to espresso machines. So direct water option, which is huge, especially if you're gonna be doing a lot of espressos. Microfiber cloth. You wanna keep your Lelit clean. That's how you know you're gonna do it. We've got our milk frothing cleaner, big, extra screw, massive power cord. Got bottomless portafilter, which is beautiful. Our scoop, our detergent over there, water filter, cleaning brush, second portafilter, beautiful as well. Two nice, very close color wood. Ooh, Lelit tamper, they do not disappoint. Beautiful as well. Tray, small instruction manual here, secondary instruction manual, extra knob, secondary portafilters, and cleaning. Wow, that's pretty much everything it looks like. Pretty simple. We do love a simple unboxing. Now, this is a nice little touch. This is a very nice microfiber cloth. Definitely be using that. Simple, but helps actually properly clean the machine, especially when we have them on display and stuff for you guys. We want to make sure they look as nice as possible. So, bottomless portafilter, gorgeous. Obviously, this is interchangeable too. Beautiful at the right angle. Love this machine already. I can't wait to actually get like using it and taking some videos while using it. So I said, everything we've got is right here. Easy, concise packaging. They did a fantastic job, as clean as ever. And honestly, you know that you're getting a high quality product shipped to you as safe as possible. This was double box. I mean, this machine alone is very heavy anyway, but double box, styrofoam everywhere, corners protected, everything. Like, you don't want any risk. When you're buying a nice, expensive espresso machine, you want to make sure that everything's intact when you get it. And you get it from us that way, you're gonna get it from the manufacturer that way too. So stay tuned. We're gonna be doing a full in-depth review of the actual model in our showroom. Shepard's gonna be helping us out with that one. So if you did enjoy the video, make sure to like, subscribe, have fun, guys, and stay tuned for the next. Peace.